Hey everyone, today we are learning about JavaScript loops, a simple way to repeat action without writing the same code again and again. A loop lets you repeat a block of code multiple times. This is super useful when you want to do something over and over, like printing a list or cycling through data. Instead of copying and pasting code, a loop does it for you automatically. Think of a washing machine. You set it to spin 3 times and it repeats the cycle without needing your input each time. Here's a simple loop example. This code will print cycle 1, cycle 2 and cycle 3 in the console. The loop runs from 1 to 3 and adds the number each time. Loops are great for saving time and reducing errors. You can use them to go through arrays, run animations or repeat any action in your app. They are must-know tool in JavaScript for making your code efficient and clean.